Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Taurus, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Taurus, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have 9 of Suns in reverse, 5 of Moons and 4 of Spheres. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your personal life, in this relationship, guys. So in your situation, guys, Taurus, you are seeing some kind of delays, suspensions. Maybe certain things are not going as expected. Maybe suddenly your situation may be going in a peaceful, harmonious way, but suddenly you may see some drastic changes, some things happening that is simply stressing you. And maybe for some of you, the reason it may be destiny or it may be people who are working against you, guys. So there are people who are opposing you, competing with you in your situation, and maybe you have maybe certain people who are crucial for you, they have moved away. So someone important to you in your work situation, this person has left you without a prior notice. So they leaving you all of a sudden. That is causing a lot of problems because you need to cope up with your situation all alone. You do not have anyone to support you today, guys. Maybe. And I also see that you may have some financial troubles, guys. You feel stuck to a particular situation. Your circumstances are not changing. You are working hard, you are trying your best, but your circumstances are out of control, guys. And you are feeling a lot of stress and you feel worried, maybe regarding your work situation, or it may be in this relationship. Maybe this person has left you without telling you what is the reason for them leaving you. So that is causing a lot of stress and worries for you, guys, Taurus. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have the Sun. So Taurus, maybe if you are facing troubles in your relationship, guys, with this card I see that your situation is going to resolve and things will turn into something positive, guys, because this card is something very positive. So all that negativity you have in your situation, all that is going to change, guys, and things will begin to move in a positive way in your relationship, guys, Taurus. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Prophetess of Moons in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your career situation, maybe for some of you there are some wrong information or wrong suggestions happening. So you need to be very careful if you are making an important decision. You need to be very careful, guys, because the information you get, it may not be totally right. So you have to think twice before you proceed. So that is what I see with these cards, Taurus. If you want more clarity, guys, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first. That way, the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. So we'll see what it is. We have the Wood Maiden. Trust. That is the card, guys. So with this card, it just means that in your situation, whatever is happening to you today, whatever is unfolding, you need to trust that. Trust in the moment. Maybe certain things may look unreal. Maybe people are gifting you, or the experience you have, it may look like something magical, and you cannot trust yourself for the things that are coming towards you, guys. And you need to be really careful with whom you share your gifts today. Maybe you are in a wonderful situation, but you need to share it with people only whom you trust, guys, you on whom you have that total trust. Because maybe some people, they may just they may not believe you, but some of them, they may just try to rob you of your opportunities. So this is the time to believe in what is happening to your you in your situation. Maybe some unbelievable changes are happening in this relationship, in this love. So whatever gifts or whatever blessings that you are getting today, you need to hold on to it, cherish that moment, and be happy for how things are going today, guys. And even smallest things can bring great happiness in your situation, guys. So if you are content, if you have that contentment in your heart, even the smallest of blessing is going to fill you with happiness and emotional satisfaction. So that is the energy. And whatever good things that you did, maybe your good nature or your hard work, whatever it is going to bring you great rewards. That is also the energy with this card, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card. Let's see what is the card. It is Cherish Innocence. So with this card, guys, it just means that you should not make if you are in the verge of making some important decisions today, this may not be the right time. Maybe this is the time for you to be cheerful, have that innocence in your heart, and face your situation with less fear and more wonder. Act like a child, guys. And we should not take anything too seriously. When you are happy and when you are cheerful, just like a child, you are going to let yourself enjoy the simplest things that you are facing today. And you are going to feel light, less responsible, and less burdened today. And maybe you are going to simply feel so much better if you are able to go out, enjoy a little with this person you love, allow yourself to laugh and see your situation, just enjoy, have fun with friends or family or with this person you love, and your situation is going to change magically, guys. So you are going to feel happy, and you are going to cherish that inner child each and every one of us have. So when we go for this childlike pleasures, it is simply going to help us heal and rejuvenate, feel rejuvenated, feel fresh. So we can take on our situation more strongly, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the energy with this card, guys. Thank you for watching. Guys, if this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.